Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn about the circle. Okay. Circle part 1. In this definition it is given a set of all points that are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. See, it is center of the circle. Example, it is the center of the circle. And the points you are taking, this point should be equally distant from the center of the circle. This point should be equally distant from the center of the circle. It should be equally distant. What the measurement you will take? Example 2 centimeter. All the measurement should be of 2 centimeter only. All the measurement should be of 2 centimeters only. If you join all these points, all these points, then it is form a circle. Now, this center point is called as center of circle or center point of the circle. Okay, this will be the fixed point, and all the points you will take here, these points will be equally distant. What the measurement you have taken for the first point, it should be equal to all. It should be equal to all. A set of all points that are at a fixed distance. This will be the fixed distance. Okay, from a fixed point. This will be the fixed point. From the fixed point is called as a circle. Now we will see what is exterior, what is interior, and what is boundary. What is exterior of circle? The point which is taken outside the circle. The point which has been taken outside the circle. Example P. W, A, X, Y, T, N. What is exterior? The point which is taken outside the figure. The point which is taken outside the figure. That means the figure is circle. Outside the circle, the point which is taken outside the circle is called as exterior. What is interior? Inside. The point which is taken inside the circle is called as interior. And what is on the boundary? The point which is taken on the boundary is called as boundary point. See, exterior. What are the exterior points here? W, P. And interior, Y, X and A. And boundary, T and N. T and N are the boundaries point of the circle. Now, what is circle? Collection of points which has been taken from the fixed point with the equally distance, which is taken from the fixed point equally distance. If you join all the points, it will form a circle. And the center is called as center point is called as center of the circle or center point of the circle. Okay. Now, what is exterior? The point which is taken outside the figure is called as exterior. What is interior? The point which is taken inside the figure, it is called as interior. What is boundary point? The point which is taken on the boundary, it is called as boundary point. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.